Now we are looking at the J-bolt from the porch corner here with the HDU11S in the back. I will reference in the video as to where they are for the HDUs, but anchor bolts, which is a J-bolt, J-bolt here, J-bolt here, J-bolt here. Can you put out tape for one of the J-bolts? The distance between these two, please? No, from here to here, distance. So the distance over here is 16 inches. And what's the distance we've maintained on an average? Between range?
This one, they're supposed to be every 32 inches.
32 inches
Yeah.
apart? Okay. But we've added more.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because we cannot put it here.
Yeah.
And we need to have this one for sure because right here is where the hold down is going to be.
Mm-hmm. Is there a hold on there?
Yeah, it's right here, but we don't do it yet because of the dirt. It's gonna get
Oh,
dirt.
that's right. That's for the.
It is dirt in the bottom.
Okay, what Gonzalo means there is the section underneath is not dug out yet. So when we dig this, there's going to be another hold down here for plant. So the other hold down is also going to be coming over here. As you can see, there's an X. The dirt is still covered. That's part of the section 2 phase 1. And these two are anchor bolt. This one is the HDU 5 that we already saw. This is another anchor bolt. And there's more anchor bolts here, maintained periodic intervals. Another anchor bolt here. J-bolt, sorry. There's another J-bolt here. That's the HDU 5 we already saw. There's another J-bolt here. There's another J-bolt here. You see this J-bolt here. J-bolt here. J-bolt here. J-bolt here. That's the HDU 5 we saw. There's another J-bolt. J-bolt. The J-bolt here. There's no J-bolt here, huh?
Yeah, it is over here.
Oh, I see. Thank you. There's a J-bolt here. J-bolt and HDU 5. J-bolt. J-bolt. J-bolt here. J-bolt and HDU 5 in the corner, the long one. Stepping on the side. There's another J-bolt here. There's another J-bolt here. That's the HDU11, the old one that we're likely going to cut off. There's another J-bolt here. This is the updated HDU11. And there's another J-bolt here.